Recently, our company successfully completed the production of a 400 kilowatt static speaker generator set, which will be exported to Papua New Guinea to provide reliable power protection for customers in the country. It is understood that this generator set is equipped with QSZ13G3 Dongfeng Cummins diesel engine, equipped with Ewoxy Stanford generator. The machine are 4.3 meters long, 1.8 meters wide and 2.4 meters high. The unit has strong power, energy saving and environmental protection, noise reduction, rain prevention and dust prevention, and can be easily started in an environment of 15 degrees Celsius, and can maintain good performance even when operating in the plateau area, and can meet the diversified demand for electricity abroad.